box. So this video is in collaboration with Glamigo. So they have sent me April month's Glamigo box. I'm so happy with this month's Glamigo box. Like OMG, such a bright color. And if you know me, I love bright colors. If you see my Instagram feed, it is so full of colors. I really loved how Glamigo came with such amazing creativity, like ice cream printed on it. This is summertime and ice cream is must. I always try to reuse these kind of boxes. Glamigo is a monthly subscription box where you can get amazing beauty and makeup products at discounted rate. If you are taking 1 month box, then you just have to pay rupees 3.99. And if you are taking a subscription box like for 3 months, 6 months or a year, then you have to pay rupees 2.99 per box. Yeah, so the first thing that I see is this card wherein all the products are described out here. So yeah, I've got 5 products in this month's box. So the first thing that I see in this box is the Island Kiss lip moisturizer stain, and this is Foxy Redhead. This says it is organic and it's 100% pure natural. Basically this is a lip stain or lip color. You feel like you are applying any kind of lip balm which is some sort of color, and this is priced at rupees 4.99. And also this product was selected for Eminent Vogue Beauty Awards, so which is a good part. So the next item in this box is this Tizori Wild Turmeric Anti-Tan Treatment. This is the anti-tan face mask. So this is basically into a powder form, and you just have to mix it with either rose water or normal water and apply it on your face. The anti-tan face pack will really help me this summer. Product was damaged when I received it, so this is one thing that I wanted to mention. So the next thing in this box is this Snelf compact powder, and I'm in the shade 02 medium. The product is of 9 gram and the price is rupees 350. So today I have applied this compact on my face. This is from medium to high coverage, so which is a really good thing. Next thing in this box is this clarifying face mask, and this is from Natural Bath and Body. This is a sea clay face mask which helps in clarifying your skin. So yeah, this is the 4th product in this box. So the last and the final product in this box is this Vedic Line Gold Facial Kit. So this says it gives luster and glow to skin, and it also says it has benefits of gold and saffron. So I have already used Vedic Line products and I'm currently using its face mask. But during my grad days I used to use Vedic Line products, and so I have never tried its facial kit, so I'm so excited to try this one. So let me know if you want a separate video on that, and I'd love to do that. That's all for today's video. Follow me on my Instagram IDs sassy_Neetu, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye.